Hi, gurl! Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Nika.go.business, and in today's video, we jumping right in to an updated perfect braid out routine. My hair is all washed and ready to go, so without further ado, we're just going to jump right in. But you know I can't let you jump right in without. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, notification bell while you're at it, and if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. But I'll give you a second because I know all that was a lot. Okay, you got it. Back to the video. So as I quickly mentioned earlier, my hair is already washed, deep conditioned, got the leave-in in, and your girl is ready to go. So I'm just taking each section and doing about 3 braids per section. And I'm going to be using a combo of Eco Styler Gel and Male Organics Twisting Souffle. I'm just mixing that up in my hands and then just prayer handing it over the section I'm about to do. And then I'm making sure I get those roots. I always tell you guys it is important to get those roots, girl. And then I'm just making sure that section is smooth and just braiding it on down. And as I braid, every few braids I do, I pass through with the brush because the key is to keep those strands nice and smooth. And here I am doing it again so you guys can get a better look. I know you could probably see like the mixture of the gel and the twisting souffle kind of clumping in my hair, but no worries because it does not dry that way. I promise. So just to go into a little detail of why I stress making sure those roots are nice and coated and flat is because typically a braid out is one of those stretching your hair styles. Those are the type of results you expect to get. So making sure those roots are nice and flat is going to enhance that stretched look as well. And then again, you're starting on a flat surface to be able to control the volume that you personally want. So I'm pretty much done here. I'm gonna let it air dry for the most part, but I am gonna start off by sitting under my hooded dryer cap for at least like 20-30 minutes. So it is the next day and I have a couple of things to do before I'm ready to take the braids down. So just to give it a little extra stretch while it's still drying because it's still a little damp, I'm just using these huge hair scrunchies to just kind of tie all the way down the braids, the group of braids, just to give it some extra stretch. And then after I'm done with all those sections, then I take it, pull it back, and put it in one big hair scrunchie. So now it's time for the takedown. And one of my biggest tips when it comes to the takedown is to make sure to undo the braid just like you braided it. So if you braided it strand by strand, you want to take it a loose strand by strand, like kind of as if you reversed braided it, I guess. Okay, girl, so I separated everything and this is how we're looking. I haven't done a braid out in a really long time, so I would say nailed it. Your girl still got it. Love the results. Here's the back. I'm not good at like covering up the parts, so forgive me. Oh, you probably didn't hear that. I'm not good at covering up the parts, so forgive me. But yeah, this is how we're looking. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching and stay poppin', girl.